Okay, good day, grade 11, ABM. Ngayon, makikita nyo sa table is kaparehas siya na makikita sa page 69. Wherein, as you can see, we're going to discuss about the spreadsheets given in the textbook. And with this, we're going to simulate the steps given nasa libro. Okay, dito. First step is for us to determine what's the currency we're going to use. Since pesos ang gagamitin natin class, i-ban natin siya. Ban natin siya dito, currency. Ban natin ito, Philippine pesos. Then we're going to enter now the price. 20 centavos. 13 pesos. Yan, and then 2 pesos. And then, kung kukunin natin yung suma total, sum is 27 pesos. Of course, if we're going to click that one, of course it shows the formula here. And then, let's go back to the spreadsheet. Okay, your estimated price for the product is 25 pesos. And then we're now going to get the profit of that by simply putting a formula in it. Cosine, and of course we're going to subtract that. C8 minus C9. Yes. Okay, may ganansya kang 2 at 20 centavos. 2 pesos and 20 centavos. That's your profit. But is this fulfilling? Is this profit fulfilling? Siyempre hindi, kasi nga naman in each glass naman is makukuha mo lang is 2 pesos. Saan yung pagod na makukuha? So let's talk business here. Okay, ito na. Since we're doing business now, and we must change the estimated price for it. Okay, we proceed to the step 4. Okay, you're now going to adjust the price you want. But in our textbook, it gives 35 pesos as the adjusted sale price. So, itong 35 pesos na ito, class, ito yung binago na natin yung benta ng isang basong milk tea. Na dati, di ba class, 25 pesos isang glass. Okay, kung pagpapatuloy natin yung 25 pesos, of course, we're going to gain 2 pesos in every class. Okay, let's discuss about it. Sabihin na natin makabenta ka ng 10 basong milk tea. Hindi magigain mo lang dun is more than 20 pesos lang, di ba? 2 times 10, which is 20 pesos may get. Kung susundin natin yung 25 pesos, but sabi sa libro is 35 pesos yung adjustment sa presyo. Then of course, we're going to compute now. What's the profit? Of course, we're going to subtract C12, which is 35 pesos, to C8, which is 27 pesos. How we're going to enter that? Of course, just as the same. We're going to subtract C12 to C8. Of course, yan. Tama ba, class? So, yan na ang iyong magigain na neto sa pagbibenta ng isang baso. But for the discussion I've made is purely in the textbook. Kinopya ko lang siya sa textbook. So if we're going to apply it in real life, so we can say that this price is just prescriptive. Hindi yan siya sa pilitan presyo. It's up to you as a businessman or as an entrepreneur to adjust your price. You can Of course, you can change the price into 30 pesos for, of course, there are lots of competitors around you selling the same product as you. Sabi natin milk tea, maraming nagkalat na milk tea dyan. Of course, competition is not avoidable. Hindi natin maiwasan yung competition. So, of course, if we're going to apply it in real life, of course, it's better to use Microsoft Excel in computing and of course printing at the same time. Makakapag-print na tayo at makakapag-compute pa tayo. 2-in-1 purpose siya, class. Siyempre naman, if you're going to make a menu for it, siyempre printed na dapat yan. Printed na yan, pero doon sa pinaggawan mo is computed na siya automatically. So, we're going to compare it now to Microsoft Word, class. Yung mga Microsoft Word natin to, siyempre you're going to just encode in the, and they call this one, there is no computation in Word. Tama ba, class? Walang computation. Dito sa Excel, yung kagandahan kasi nito, pwede mo siyang i-print. Control P, pwede mo siyang i-print. Yan ang kagandahan. Okay, yes. I think we have reached the objectives for this discussion. We already tackled in every steps. Of course, isi-save mo na yan, yung sa pang-final step. Save na natin siya as lagyan natin dito sa desktop. Iban natin yung pangalan niya. Gawin natin. Take note nasa step 6 na ako. L4, which is lesson 4, cost of ingredients. Okay, that's it, class. Okay, goodbye. Thank you sa pakikinig. And of course, gagawin nyo rin ito as activity rin.